So right now we'll start the X1. Firstly, we have to check the power, the power cable, and this to the water filter, and this is the water pipe, and this is the in, this is the out, and this connects the nitrogen, and this is the gas out. So now we are turn on the switch. So we'll turn on the computer, and then turn on the FASTFORM. Okay. Then we will install the base plates and ready for printing. Okay. Firstly, we install the base plate. Okay. And then we move down the Z-axis. Move down. Okay. And then we measure it with 1 millimeter in the front. 0. Okay. And in the center. Okay. 1 millimeter. And now we feed in some powder. 3 times. Okay. Now. Okay. Yeah. So now we close the door. And then we move to the project, and we load the. Okay. Then we load the file. Okay. And then we check the time. All right. Then we print, right? So we move to the print page, and then enable it. Next, and then check the data here. And okay. So we're 这里开始吧？不是这样，没这样。这样你可以自动开始，就直接开始 start. So now it will be automatically oxygen down, and it will be feeding more orders for the first layer. Mm. 是不是要重新开始？啊，对。OK， 然后。这其实有点超标了，这是，因为它这个100打个4、500、6、1直就上去了。OK。激光没激光？激光没激光，那个风速没有啊。出了。好，开始。